I'm going to tell you a bit about my journey and how I came to be where I am. Just so that you can understand that, like you sitting there today, I was sitting there 5 years ago. I am just like every single person in this room. We are all human. I was young and I had my own dreams. And I had to face my own challenges to get where I am today. I want you to understand it. Just understand. I have the title that I am Miss South Africa. But I'm still me. I'm still Camden Green. I'm still the girl from Paul who went to William Lloyd, who went to New Orleans. All I did was I worked hard to be where I am today. And I want you all to remember that. I am Miss South Africa today, not because I just wanted to be Miss South Africa. I worked hard to be where I am today. It wasn't easy. I had my own challenges. There were nights where, the work felt like too much when I was studying. I'd have to call my parents. I would tell them, please come fetch me in Cape Town, because the studies are too much. And they would come, and they would bring me home, and then I'd feel better again. I got really sick during my studies for medicine, and I felt like my whole world was falling apart. But I had to stand up again and continue medicine because it is my dream.